वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषये भवदोगिनां विद्ये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। ॐ नमो भगवते वैवस्वताय मृत्यवे ब्रह्मविद्याचार्याय नचिकेतसे च। Is my voice dragging?
It's not that clear, but we can follow.
Is there any disturbance in the audio?
It's not that clear, G. Some disturbance.
Yeah, some break is there, G.
Okay, so the break continues. If it is not followable, you can repeat. No? If you can follow, then it is.
Okay.
Mantra number 11. Asaivedamaptavyam
मनसैवेदमाप्तव्यम्
Ehananasti kinchana
नानास्ति किञ्चन
Mrityos samrityum gacchati
मृत्योर्मृत्युं गच्छति
Ehananeva pashyati
यह्यनानेव पश्यति
Angushthamatrah purushah
अङ्गुष्ठमात्रपुरुषः
Atmani tishtati
मध्य
मध्य आत्मनि तिष्ठति
Bhutavyasyasya
ईशानो भूतभव्यस्य
Vijiguksate
न ततो
न ततो विजुगुप्सते
एतद्वैतत्
एतद्वैतत्
मात्रः पुरुषः
अंगुष्ठमात्रः पुरुषः
धूमकः
ज्योतिरिवा धूमकः
ज्योतिरिवाधूमकः
ईशानो भूतभव्यस्य
ईशानो
ईशानो
भूतभव्यस्य
भूतभव्यस्य
एवाद्यसोऽश्वः
स
स
एवाद्यस
एवाद्यस
ऊष्वः
ऊष्वः
एतद्वैतत्
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 This is the mantra we saw in the last class. We have seen the mantra and also the Bhashyam. That's in the last slide, I think. Angushta matra purushaha. Purushaha angushta matraha. Angushta parimanaha. Jyotihi. Purushaha jyotihi. Jyotiriva dhumakaha. Adhumakaha. Adhumakam iva jyotihi. There is no dhuma, there is no smoke. Adhumakam iva jyotihi. Jyotihi, the light without smoke, means nirupadika chaitanya. Purushaha, who is without upadi, nirupadika, doesn't have any dhuma, no mala, no impurity, no upadi. Jyoti ragita, dhuma ragita jyotihi. Dhuma ragita jyotihi. Saha ईशानः. सः एव नियामकः ईशानः ईश्वरः भूतभव्यस्य भूतकाल भविष्यकाल वर्तमानकालेषु वर्तमानकालस्य अपि त्रिकालस्य अपि ईशानः ईश्वरः सः एव आत्मा. सः आत्मा एव. अद्य referring to now वर्तमान काले सः एव अद्य. सः who श्वः is tomorrow. He alone is here today and he continues to be there tomorrow. वर्तते सदा वर्तते. एतद्वैतत् तत् यत् नचिकेतसा पृष्टं तत् ब्रह्मतत्त्वम् एतत् एव इति. This is the meaning of the mantra which we have seen. Angushta matraha, it is figurative expression. Purusha, which is of the size of the thumb. Thumb refers to the antakarana. The thumb refers to the size of the antakarana, upadi, where Atma is upalabdhaha Atma. So Angushta Matra is Angushta Sadrisha, just like the thumb, and just like the size of the thumb. Otherwise, thumb also we can take another way also. Thumb is important. Without thumb, the other fingers, they don't function. Thumb is very important for the other fingers to function. Therefore, Atma is also like that. Without Atma, nothing function, nothing is there. So therefore, Atma, Brahma, Adhumakaha. Three from Upadi Ragitam, Nirupadika, Atma, Saha, Jyotihi. Then we will read the Bhashya. Angushtamatra Purushaha.
अंगुष्ठमात्रः
पुरुषः
Adhumakaha.
ज्योतिरिवा
ज्योतिरिवाधूमकः
धूमकम्
धूमकम्
Yuktam Jyotihi Padatvat.
इति
युक्तं
युक्तं
ज्योतिः
ज्योति
ज्योतिः
पर-
परत्वात्
परत्वात्
Paratvat.
ज्योतिष्परत्वात्
Ask again, is the audio clear?
sometimes breaks ji.
Sometimes breaks. You know why this problem is? Because of this audio problem in my laptop itself. Let me change my audio phone, then you let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. How about now? Is it clear?
Much more better than previous.
yes
I don't know really what the problem is. This laptop audio has problem. Anyway, if it is clear, we can continue with this.
Yeah.
Okay. Iti yuktam jyotihi paratvat.
इति युक्तं
इति
ज्योतिः
युक्तं ज्योतिः
परत्वात्
परत्वात्
We are seeing this line on Purushaha Angushtamataha. Jyotihi iva Purushaha Angushtamataha. Pundari Kakshe Hridaya Bhayam Labdaha Atma Saha Jyotihi iva Paratvat. Paratvat. Paratvat here it means that Jyotihi, that Dhumakam, it must be, because it qualifies Jyoti. Therefore, Jyoti being Jyotis Sakaranta Napumsakalinga, therefore it must be Jyoti. It is Napumsakalinga, therefore it must be Adhumakam. That Adhumakam should be the adjective, the Visheshanam for the Vishesha Jyotihi. Jyotihi Adhumakam eva Adhumakam iti uktam. Iti yuktam. That is proper. But Upanishad says Adhumakaha. Upanishad can say. That is the privilege of the Upanishad. Adhumakam iti yuktam eva. Iti yuktam. Then the next line. Yahatu evam lakshitaha.
यः तु
यः
एवं
तु
लक्षितः
एवं लक्षितः
Yogibihi hridaye.
योगिभिः
योगिभिः
हृदये
हृदये
Ishanaha bhutavavyasya.
ईशानः
ईशानः
भूतभव्यस्य
भूतभव्यस्य
सह एव नित्यः कूटस्थः.
सः
सः एव
नित्यः
नित्यः कूटस्थः
अद्य इदानीम्
अद्य
अद्य
इदानीं
इदानीं
प्राणिषु वर्तमानः.
प्राणिषु
प्राणिषु
वर्तमानः
वर्तमानः
सवुष्वः अपि वर्तिष्यते.
सौष्वः
सवुष्वः
अपि
अपि
वर्तिष्यते
वर्तिष्यते
यः लक्षितः कैः योगिभिः, by the yogis, lakshitah, that which is meditated upon by the yogis, that is visualized upon by the yogis. Yaha, that is Atma, Ishanaha. Saha Bhutavavyasya, the Lord of Bhuta Bhavya Attama Mana Api. Rikarasya Api Ishanaha. Saha Eva Nityaha Kutastaha. Nityaha, Saha Nityaha Kutastaha. You have seen these words. Kutastaha, that which is permanent without changing. Nitya Kutastam. Adya Idanim. Adya is equal to Idanim. Adya, now, today, present. Idanim means now, present, now. Pranishu Vartamanaha. Pranishu Adya Ishanaha Vartamanaha. Ishanaha referring to the Samashti Brahma. Saha Tat Brahma Pranishu Vartamanaha. Tat Brahma Pranishu Vartamanaha. So Atma. So Brahma is Atma. Brahma is Atma. Therefore, Brahma Atma is same. Yat Brahma sa Atma. Atma eva Brahma. Praneshu Vartamana. So that which is present now, Idani. Praneshu Vartamana. Therefore, the Atma. That Atma is Ishvaraha. Brahma, Paramatma. Therefore, Jiveshvara Aikyam. Tat Tvam Asi Mahavakya. Adya Vartamanaha. What about tomorrow? Shvaha. Shvaha api vartishyate eva. Shvaha is tomorrow. Anantaram. Vartishyate eva. Then the next line. Na anyaha.
Na anyaha
अन्यः
Tatsamaha.
tatsamaha
तत्समः
Anyascha janishyate ityartaha.
anyascha
अन्यश्च
janishyate
जनिष्यते इत्यर्थः
ityartha.
Tatsamaha na anyaha asti. There is nothing equal to that Atma. Because Atma alone is Atma eva Ishvaraha. Ishvara alone is Jagat Karanam Brahma. The Jagat is Brahma. Jagat Karanam Brahma. The Brahma, this Jagat is not different from Brahma. And the Brahma alone, Angushta Matra Purushaha, it is now in the Pranishu Dhartamanaha. There is nothing other than that. And Anyaha na Janishyate. Nothing other will be born also later. Equivalent to Atma, there is nothing will be born. Atma alone is Nityaha Kutastaha. Therefore, Advaita Atma being Advaitam. Therefore it is Anantaha Advaitaha. Nothing will be there equivalent to Atma later. Nothing will be born. So Advaita Atma cannot become Dvaita. Even though there are many Jivatmas are born. Upadhis are born. Doesn't mean Atma is born. Upadhis are born. They are born and they are gone. But Atma is not born. Because of the birth of Upadhi, one should not think Atma is born. Atma being Advaitaha, Anantaha, nothing equal to that Atma which is only the truth, the Satyam, which is only exist. Therefore, Anyaha na Janishyate. Nothing other than Atma, equal to Atma will be born. Is there will be born. Neither there now, it will not be there in the future. So Upadhis only come and go. They are Agama Painaha. Atma is ever the same. Then the next line which we have to read. Anena
Anena
अनेन
Nayamastiti Chaike iti
nayamastiti
नायमस्ति
chaike
इति चैके
iti
इति
Ayam Pakshaha
ayam
अयं
pakshaha
पक्षः
Nyayataha Praptaha api
nyayataha
न्यायतः
praptaha api
Swachanena
swavachanena
स्ववचनेन
Shrutya Pratyuktaha
shrutya
श्रुत्या प्रत्युक्तः
pratyuktaha
Na ayam asti iti cha eke. You remember the mantra, first chapter, 20th shloka, where Nachiketa asked the boon, important boon, the third boon. येयं प्रेते विचिकित्सा मनुष्ये अस्तित्येके न्यायमस्तीति चैके. Bhagavad quotes that mantra. एतद् विद्याम् अनुशिष्टस्त्वयाहं वराणाम् एषः वरस्तृतीयः. अयं न अयम् अस्ति इति च एके. That is, regarding the Atma, there is a doubt. What? After the death of the body, some people say the Atma continues. Ayam na asti iti cha eke. Some people say Atma doesn't survive after the death of the body. Therefore, I want to know the truth. Therefore, I want to know the Atma. That is what Nachiketa asked. So, therefore, this Atma, whether it survives after the body or not. Do you need Shastra Pramanam for that? Or you can establish that there is something survives the body by Nyaya, by logic. Do you need Shruti Pramanam for that? Or you can just establish that by logic. Here Bhashikara says, Anena Nayamasti iti chaike iti ayam pakshaha nyayataha praptaha api. This paksha, this view, what is the view that the Atma survives even after the body is gone. Even after this body is gone, Atma survives. This view is nyayataha praptaha. It is nyayataha praptaha. Nyayataha apraptaha, not praptaha. Nyayataha apraptaha. Avagriha is that. Nyayataha apraptaha. So therefore, it is nyayataha apraptaha, not nyayataha praptaha, nyayataha apraptaha. Atma doesn't, that whether the Atma survives after the body, that question itself, the question itself, logically not tenable. That is, the view that Atma, there is no Atma which survives the body, it is logically not tenable. Why? Because there is a logic, there is a Nyaya. Logic. Nyaya means not Nyaya Shastra. Nyaya is simple, that's a logic. What is that logic? That is, if the Atma to say that Atma doesn't survive death, it is not to say that Atma doesn't survive, negative. Na ayam asti iti chayeke. Atma na asti, Atma nasti iti kechana vadanti. That is not logically tenable. That is the view that Atma doesn't survive death is not logically tenable, not logically acceptable. Nyayataha apraptaha api. Even though it is not logically tenable, acceptable, Shruti swavachanena uttaha. Shruti pratyuktaha. Shruti says, even though it is logically, you can establish that by logic. Shruti also says that. What is that logic? Now, the individual now, if it doesn't survive after death, what will happen? whatever the individual has done, that is the karma, whatever he has done, karma palam will be there for the karma. So every karma invariably will invite the karma palam, papa punya. If karma is good, then punyam. Karma is otherwise, if it is papa karma, then papam will come to that person. So every karma will definitely give its karma palam in the form of papa and punya. Now, the person, the individual, he dies, and up to the end of his life, he has done a lot of karma. Not that all the karma palam you would have experienced while living. All the karma palam, whatever may be the karma palam, punyam or papam, he need not would have experienced while living. Till the death, till he dies doing the karma. So, if he dies now, what will happen to the karma palam? What will happen to the papam? What will happen to the punya? Where it will go now? To which account the papa punyam will be accrued to now? So, therefore, karma being kritam and karma pala has to be experienced by the individual. And if the individual doesn't survive, then what will happen to the karma pala? If you say that the individual doesn't survive, then whatever he had done, that will remain. That will remain. Even if he had done the papam of killing a person, or if he had done a great punya karma, that punya palam or papa palam will remain without being added to his account, because the person itself is not there. This is a dosha. This is a defect. This is a defect. Therefore, to say that the person doesn't survive after death, that is a defect called krita pranashaha. That is, along with the death of the person, there is destruction of his papa punyam. There is destruction of papa punyam. If there is immediate destruction of papa punyam along with the death of the person, then what is this law of karma? We cannot talk about law of karma. There is no law at all. There is no order at all. There is no order. There is no law of karma. Anybody can do any karma. Worst papa karma one person can do, and the person dies, means that is free from that karma pala, because the person is not there. So krita pranashaha, there is dosha in this. If the person doesn't survive, this is logically it is tenable. So to say that the person doesn't survive after that, it is not logically correct. Since this can be logically understood, established, therefore, nyayataha praptaha. Therefore, to say that ayam atma na asti iti, that is nyayataha apraptaha. So, why? Because of this dosha, krita pranashaha. That is a dosha, that is a defect. This is one defect. There is another defect also connected with this. This is logical. This can be logically established. What is that other defect? Now, a person is born, an individual is born. The individual is born in a particular family, in a particular lineage, and the family may be affluent or may be very poor. The person may be born in a very rich country or a poor country, may be born to a cultured parent or not cultured, may be born to the Vanavasis, possible. Some people are some child are born with born with no problem. Children are born with some disease, the congenital diseases, deformities. Some are born with silver spoon, and some are born with no spoon. There's a taratanya. There is a difference. Some child enjoys the parentage, the family, everything it enjoys, whereas the other child born in a very poor family, survival itself is difficult. So there is a taratanya, there is a discrepancy. If this discrepancy is natural means there is no basis to it, then there is no order. Again, there is a violation of the karma. It happens by chance, if you say, by nature, by chance, then that is not acceptable. Why this child is born to a poor family, to poor parents and suffer? Why that another child is born in a rich family, cultured family, spiritual family, and it is well nourished? Why? Why this discrepancy? So, therefore, to say this is only by chance is not correct. The individual enjoys the result of his purva janma karma phalam. Your current birth is decided by your karma, purva karma. Therefore, purva janma karma phalam has to be accepted. Only when you accept purva janma and the purva janma karma, and the result of that is seen in the form of this discrepancy. So to account for the individuals being born in different countries to different parents, different conditions, is because of that purva janma karma phala. Therefore, there must be something which survives death. It is logical to account for the enjoyment as well as the suffering. We have to accept the purva janma, the karma which has been done purva before. It is being experienced in the form of taking jananam in a particular country, particular family, particular lineage. Therefore, the past janma, past karma has to be accepted. If we say that nothing survives, then how are you going to account for this? Then this poor child which is born and suffer, and the child which is born in a rich family and enjoys, then there is a dosha. If you don't accept the Atma survives the body, then this discrepancy becomes a dosha. What we see, this discrepancy, this taratamya, is a dosha. If you don't accept that which survives, that is the Atma which survives the death of the body, that dosha is called akrita abhyagama. Akrita abhyagama. Therefore, there must be something which survives the body. That is nyayataha praptaha. That is nyayataha praptaha. If we don't accept, then it is nyayataha apraptaha. Therefore, because of these doshas, krita pranashaha, akrita abhyagamaha, therefore, asti eva, atma asti eva, atma maranantaram api asti eva iti pakshaha nyayataha praptaha. Nyayataha praptaha. Atma nasti. Maranantaram nasti iti pakshaha nyayataha apraptaha. Therefore, since this can be established by a simple logic, if this logic is not accepted, then it will result in dosha, krita pranasha dosha, and akrita abhyagama dosha. So therefore, by simple logic, nyayataha prapte api, Shruti also by its own words, it says swavachanena. Swavachanena is by its own vachanam, words. So Shruti says, Shruti itself dismisses. How the Shruti dismisses, in the mantra it dismisses. Saha ushvaha. Saha eva adya saha ushvaha. Adya shvaha. Iti today and tomorrow. Today and tomorrow means it is now in this Janma and it is continued to be if the Jiva takes another Janma. So it is doesn't have death. Sayevade Savushvaha Shruti, that is the Vachanam of the Shruti. Svavachanena Shrutya Prayuktaha. Shrutya Pratyuktaha. Shrutya Pratyuktaha, it is dismissed by the very Shruti itself, by its words, Shruti dismisses. The Paksha, what is the Paksha? The view that some people say that Atma doesn't exist. That is dismissed by the Shruti. Through her own statement, Shruti dismisses. So Bhashyakara says, and Bhashyakara says, while saying this is not this that the Atma doesn't survive after that. It is Nyayataha Apraptaha, logically not tenable. While saying that, he is dismissing one more view. Bhashyakara dismisses one more view. What is that view? Tatha
Tata
Kshana Bhangavadascha
क्षणभङ्गवादश्च
Kshanabhangavadascha api Kshanabhangavadascha api pratyuktaha. Ji Pritya pratyuktaha. Ji dismisses even the Kshanabhangavada. Moment, Kshanika. So Kshanika Vada. Kshanika Vijnana Vada. That is the Vada, the view of the Vijnana, the consciousness being momentary consciousness. That is one of the view of the Buddhists. Buddhists, they have got four views. Buddha had only one view. After Buddha, there were divisions. There are four views, four the divisions within the Buddhist Buddha Darshanam, Sautrantika, Vaibhasika, Yogachara, and Madhyamika. Four vadas are there. In that, Yogachara Vada, the view of Yogachara is Atma is momentary. Atma is momentary. Every moment Atma is born, then it dies. Atma is Kshanikam. Therefore, Saha Adya, Saha Shvaha Na. That is their view. It is there now, it is not there tomorrow, because tomorrow you will have another Atma. Everything is Kshanikam. They say when you step into the river, the same water doesn't touch your feet. Kshanika, it is moving, momentary. So what is there now, it is not there the next moment. It is gone. When you say now it is gone, the next moment has come. So therefore, Atma, which is there now, is not there tomorrow, because tomorrow it will become yesterday. When tomorrow comes, the Atma would be in the past. It was, it is not now. And tomorrow it is today, and that also will become yesterday with reference to day after tomorrow. So it is Kshanikam. It goes. It flows. So that also dismisses. That also Shruti dismisses. So the Vada, the view of Yogacara is also not logically, it is not logically tenable, and also Shruti dismisses. Sayeva Savushvaha. So it's a very beautiful line. The line dismisses the Kshanika Vada. Kshanabhanga Vadaschapi. Shruti dismisses Svavachanena Pratyuktaha iti. Then the next mantra we will read. Punarapi
Punarapi
Darshana Apavadam
Bheda Darshana Apavadam
Manaha Aha.
Brahmanaha Aha.
So in the previous mantra, Jiveshwara Aikyam was presented, saying that there is only Atma alone is there. The Atma alone, Ishanaha, and that Atma is Pranishu, Vartamanaha, and that Atma Adya Shraha Api Vartate. Iti. Now, Punaha Api, again the Shruti, the Acharya, Yamadhamaraja, Aha, he says, what? Veda Darshana Apavadam. Veda Darshanam. Veda is division. So Darshanam is the perception, the recognition. So the recognition of division is dismissed. Is dismissed. It is apavadam, it is dismissed, it is refuted. It is refuted by the Shruti, Brahmana. With regard to Brahma, again, the Shruti dismisses, refutes the Veda Darshanam, Dvaita Darshanam. So again, the Shruti dismisses the Dvaita Bhava, Dvaita Darshanam. There is no division. And there is no division in this Chit Ghana, Ekarasam. So there is no division that is presented by the Upanishad. But we see the divisions. Why? That is because of our wrong perception. That is the mistake. That is the error. That is the basic error, because of which only there is samsara. So Dvaita Drishti is the cause for samsara. And that Dvaita Drishti has to go. For that only Shastra is the pramana. Dvaita Drishti Nivritya Advaita Drishtya eva mokshaha. Jnana praptihi moksha. That is jnanam. Advaita jnanam eva jnanam. Not Dvaita jnanam. Dvaita jnanam everybody has. So, that wrong perception, that error is there. Therefore, the Shruti, what it does is, it removes the error. Shruti doesn't give any new knowledge. For any new knowledge, Shruti is not the Pramana. Shruti is the Pramanam not for gaining any new knowledge. Shruti is the Pramanam only to remove the error, the mistake, the basic mistake. The basic mistake is Dvaita Drishti. Therefore, the Shruti says, therefore, the next mantra, Veda Darshana Apavadam Aha, Brahmanaha Aha. With regard to the Brahma, the Veda Darshana Apavadam, the Shruti dismisses the Veda Darshanam. Yatodakam Durge Vrishtam
Yathodakam Durge Vrishtam
Parvateshu Vidhavati
Parvateshu
पर्वतेषु
Vidhavati
विधावति
Evam Dharman Pratak Pashyan
Evam
एवं
Dharman
धर्मान्
Pratak
पृथक्
Pashyan
पश्यन्
Anevanu Vidhavati.
Tanevanu
तानेवानुविदावति
Vidhavati
Yatha Yathodakam, yatha udakam. Udakam is water. Yathodakam, yatha udakam. Just as water. Just as water, Durga. Durga is difficult. Durga is difficult. So, Durga Vrishtam. Parvateshu. Parvata is Parvata. Parvata Shikara Pradeshe. Vrishtam is rain. Meghat Nipatitam. Udakam Jalam, that is Vrishtam. Rain. So, Yata Udakam. Just like the rain, just like the water, and the water is rainwater. Vrishtam Udakam. So, Meghat Patitam, that Udakam Jalam, that is a Vrishtam which falls on the Parvata Shikara Pradeshe. What happens with the water? Vidhavati, Vikirnam, Vishiryati. It is scattered all over. So the water, the rain which falls on the Shikara of the Parvata, it scattered on all sides. It is scattered on all sides. So therefore, Vidavati is Anekada Gacchati. Parvata Shikare, Durge, difficult to access. Parvata Shikara Vrishtam, Parvata Shikare Vrishtam, that Vrishtam Vidavati Anekada Gacchati. Evam, similarly, Evam means Tadvat. Evam, this Dharma, Evam Dharman Pratak Pasyan. Similarly, this Dharma here it is Dharati Jagat iti Dharmaha. Dharati Vishwam iti Dharmaha. That which holds, which sustains the entire Prapancha, universe, is called Dharma. What is that? It is Atma. At the total level, it is Brahma. At the individual level, it is Atma. Same. That is Atma. That Dharman, Vidya Bhakti. Dharman, Pratak Pasyan. Pratak is different. Pratak Pasyan, seen different. Dharman Pratak Pasyan. Yaha Dharman Pratak Pasyan. Yaha, the one who sees this Dharma as different. Tan eva anudavati. The one who sees this Dharma, that is this Atma, as different, as many, Pratak Pasyan. Pratak is separate, different. Different is as many. Anekada Pashyati. That is the meaning. Tan eva anudavati. Yaka Pashyati saha anubidhavati. He runs after. That is the one who sees the Atma as divided. That is Atma as Dvaita Atma. Because of the different bodies, the one who sees the Atma as many, he runs anubidhavati. Davati is runs. He runs after. It means he follows. It means the person continues to be a samsari. Because he has got Veda Drishti, therefore he will continue to see the division, the many Atmas. It means he will continue to be in this samsara. Punarapi maranam, punarapi jaranam. It continues to be. He will continue in this samsara chakra. Because he has the vision of Dvaita. Pratak Pasyan. Yaha Pratak Pasyan. Dharman Pratak Pasyan. Dharma referring to the Atma here. Yaha Atmanam Pratak Pashyati Saha Anubidhavati. Samsare Anubidhavati. Tan referring to that division, the many bodies. Tan eva Anubidhavati. So he runs after that alone. It means the person continues to be a samsari. Therefore, Therefore, Atma Veda Darshinam Samsara Praptihi. The one who sees the difference in Atma, for him, what is the result? What is the gain? Samsara Praptihi. He continues to be in samsara. To come out from samsara, what is required? He has to become Atmaika Darshi. He has to become Atmaika Darshi. Atmaika Darshinam moksha praptihi bhavati. Therefore, dharman atmarupan shariradi dharakan atmarupan pratak binnan Pashyan is Janam. The one who Pashyan means seeing. Seeing means he understands. He recognizes. His understanding is based on this Sharira Upadhi, the Atmas are many. Pratak Binnan Pashyati. Tan eva. Tan referring to the Upadhi Bhutan Shariran eva. That Shariran eva Anuvidhavati Prapnoti. He gains that Sharira, that Upadhi. Upadhi Bhutan Shariran. That is the meaning of the word Tan in the mantra. Tan Upadhi Bhutan Shariran eva Prapnoti. He gains that Upadhi, that Sharira Upadhi. Because he has got Dvaita Drishti. Therefore he continues, he perpetuates samsara. Because he is Anatma Darshi, Veda Darshi. That is the meaning. Now the Bhashyan. Yatodakam Durge.
Yathodakam Durge.
Durgame Deshe Uchrite Vrishtam Siktam.
Durgame Deshe Uchrate
Vrishtam
Vrishtam
Siktam.
Siktam.
Vrishtam is equal to Siktam. Durga is equal to Durgame Pradeshe. There Uchrite. There it is Uchrite. What? Vrishtam. Vrishtam is equal to Siktam. Parvateshu Parvatavatsu.
Parvateshu Parvatavatsu.
Nimna Pradesheshu.
Nimna
Nimna
Pradesheshu.
Pradesheshu.
Vikinam Sat Vinashyati.
Vidhavati Vikiranam Sat Vinashyati.
Evam Dharman.
Evam Dharman.
Atmanah Abhinnan.
Atmanaha
Bin.
Abhinnan.
Atmanah Bhinna.
Bhinna.
Okay, sorry. Atmanah Bhinna. Evam
Atmanaha
Dharman
Bhinna.
Atmanah Bhinna. Okay. Evam Dharman Atmanah Bhinnan.
Evam Dharman
Evam
Atmanaha
Dharman
Bhinnan.
Atmanaha Binnan.
Atmanah Evam Dharman Atmanah Bhinna. Okay, it must be Abhinna, not Bhinna. Because Dharman is Atma. That Atma is not Bhinna, not different from Atma. Therefore, that Avagraha is missing. Atmanaha Abhinna. So what I said was correct. Atmanaha Abhinna.
Atmanaha
Atmanaha
Abhinnan.
Abhinnan.
That Abhinna Atma alone Pratak Pashyan.
Pratak Pashyan.
Pratak Eva.
Pratakeva.
Eva.
Prati Shariram Pashyan.
Pratishariram
Shariram
Pashyan.
Pashyan.
Tanyeva.
Tanyeva.
Eva.
Sharira Veda Anuvartinaha.
Sharira Veda Anuvartinaha.
Anuvartinaha.
Anuvidhavati.
Anuvidhavati.
Bhavati.
Sharira Vedam Eva.
Sharira
Sharira Vedam
Bhedameva.
Eva.
Pratak.
Pratak.
Punah Pratipadyate Ityartaha.
Punah Pratipadyate
Pratipajyate
Ityarthaha.
Ityartaha.
Yata Udakam Durge. Durge is equal to Durgame Deshe. Durga is difficult. Durga Suktam instead. Durga Suktam. So, Durgame Deshe. Desha is a place. But Desha is difficult to gain, difficult to access, difficult to go. The Desha which is difficult to be accessed. Durgame Pradeshe. Uchrite, which is Uchrite Durgame Deshe. Uchrite. That which is located very high. Uchrite. Top of the mountain. Top of the mountain. So there, Prishtam is Sittam. The rain which is poured. Vrishtam Udakam, the rain which is poured on the top of the highly elevated the area of the mountain. What happens to the water? The water which falls on the top of the mountain, Parvateshu, Parvatavatsu, Parvata, the mountain, Parvatavatsu, that which has many hills, Parvatavatsu. What happens to that water which falls on the top? Nimna Pradeshu, Vidhavati, Vikirnam, Sat, Vinashyati. Nimna Pradesheshu, Vidhavati, it is dispersed. It runs in different direction. Vikirnam Sat, it is dispersed. It is Vidhavati, it is dispersed. Vikirnam. Vikirnam Sat Vinashyati. It goes in all direction and Vinashyati. It disappears. It flows in all direction and it disappears. So, Nimna Pradesheshu, that is Parvata over that hilly, over that the Parvatsu on the hill that it rains, and Nimna Pradesheshu over the hilly regions down below, it flows and disappears in different direction. Vidhavati, Vikirnam Sat Vinashyati, it disappears. If it is collected in one place, then it can flow as a river, but it is not, it flows all over in all directions. Therefore, Vikirnam. Therefore, Vinashyati. This is the Drishtanta. Now, Darshtanta. What is a Darshtanta? Similarly, Evam Pashyan. Pashyan is Kshatranta, the person, the who seeing. What? Yaha Pashyan, the one who sees. What does it see? Dharma. Dharma is, here Dharma, the word Dharma is Atma. That is that is Dharman. Atmanaha. Here there is the Binnan, it is Binnan. In some book it is Binnan is given, in some book Abhinnan is given. If you take Binnan, it is Pratak. If you take Abhinnan, it is not different. Abhinnan is not different. Binnan is different. So we can take both. Now we will take Abhinnan. We will take it as Abhinnan. See, why it is the Shariram being many and Atma is Abhinna, this Abhinna Atma is sees as different. If you take that way, it is Abhinna. If you take that way, it is Abhinna. Or he sees the Atma Binna because of different Shariram. The Atma has become Binna, the different. If you take that way, that is Binna is also correct. Because in some books it is given Binna, in some book it is given Abhinna. Since Atma is Abhinnaha, therefore if you take Atma, Abhinna Atma, this Abhinna Atma because of this Upadhi Shariram, and the Sharirams are many, therefore this Abhinna Atma is looked upon as Binna because of this Pritak Shariram. can take that way. So therefore, Pratak eva, this Abhinna Atma is Pratak. This non-different, this Atma which is doesn't have Dvaitam. This Advaita Atma is considered to be Pratak, different. Why? Pratak eva, Prati Shariram, with reference to the bodies. Shariram Prati. In each body, Atma is that. So with reference to each bodies, this Abhinna Atma Pratak Pashyati. Yaha Pashyati. What happens to him? Tan eva anuvidhavati. He goes after Tan, that Sharira Upadi, that Sharira, Tan reference to this Sharira, Shariradi, Upadi, this Upadi Bhutan, Shariram. He goes after this Upadi Bhutan, Shariram. He goes after this Upadi, that is, he goes after Janma. Many Janma. He goes after many bodies. He goes after many bodies means he goes after samsara. Why? Because he is Sharira Veda Anuvartinaha. He is seeing the Atma, the Abhinna Atma to be different. And therefore he will be going after many Shariram. Sharira Veda Anuvartinaha. In Sharira Veda Anuvarti. He is the follower or he is the person who goes after this Sharira Veda. Sharira Veda Anuvartinaha. Therefore, Punaha Pratipadyate. He gains again and again. Pratipadyate. What? Shariram Vedam Eva Pratipadyate. That varieties of body, the Sharira Veda, the divisions of body, that is different bodies. Punaha Pratipadyate. So, because he thinks that he is different from Atma, and therefore he will continue to be gaining new bodies. He will be continue to be gaining new bodies, that is samsara. What is the cause? That is Veda Darshana. This Abhinna Atma is taken to be Binna because of this wrong vision. Because of this wrong vision, Punaha Sharira Vedam Pratipadyate. If he has got Samyak Darshanam, Shastra Darshanam, then Punaha na Pratipadyate Samsarat Vimokshate. If he has got Advaita Drishti, then this Anudavanam will not be there for that person. Because he has got Aveda Darshanam. So that is the Darshanta. So therefore the one who has the Veda Drishti, samsara will continue, and for the one who has Aveda Drishti, samsara will end and he will gain moksha. So Atma Darshinam Mokshaha iti the Upanishad in this chapter, it is going to conclude. Upasamharati is going to conclude. So therefore, this is the Aveda Darshanam. This is the Aveda Darshanam which the Shruti unfolds. And in the next mantra, the same, this Aveda Darshana Vada is present, which also we will read. Sangati to the next mantra. Yasya Punaha Vidyavataha Vidvasta Upadikrita Veda Darshanasya
Vidvasta Upadhikrita Bheda Darshanasya
Vishuddha Vijnana Ghanaikarasam
Vishuddha Vijnana Ghanaikarasam
Advayam Atmanam
Advayam
Pashyataha Vijanataha
Pashyataha Vijanataha
Munehe
Munehe
Mananashilasya
मननशीलस्य
शीलस्य
आत्मस्वरूपं कथं भवति इत्युच्यते।
आत्मस्वरूपं कथं
आत्मस्वरूपं कथं
सम्भवति इति
सम्भवति
उच्यते।
इत्युच्यते।
आत्मस्वरूपं कथं भवति? What how will be the swarupam of Atma? That is being said. Being said. That is yasya Atma rupam katham bhavati. Atma rupam of that person. Who is that person? Vidyavataha. Is Vidyavataha. Is Vidyavat. Matu pratyaya, Vidyavataha, the one who has the Vidya, the knowledge. What knowledge? Paravidya, Brahma Vidya, Atma Vidya. Atma Vidyavataha, the one who has the knowledge of Atma. Tattva Vidya, Tattva, the one who knows the Tattva, the truth. And Vidvasta Upadhikrita Bheda Darshanasya. It's a nice compound referring to that person. See, yasya shashti vibhakti, vidyavataha shashti vibhakti. Yasya vidyavataha referring to that person. Tasya atma swarupam katham bhavati iti uchyate. Asmin mantre. That is the next mantra. And that person is vidvasta upadhikrita veda darshanasya. Vidvastaha upadhikrita veda darshanam yasya saha vidvasta upadhikrita veda darshanaha referring to that person. Tasya Veda Darshanasya, referring to the person whose this Veda Darshana is Vidvasta. It is Vidvasta, it is dismissed, it is eliminated. Upadhikrita, that Veda difference, that is the difference of perception, that is duality perception, which is Krita, which is done, which is created by this Upadhi, is dismissed for that person. So, the perception of duality, the Dvaitam, which is caused by the Upadhi, it is dismissed for whom? Referring to that person. Who is that person? He is a Jnani. So, Vidvastaha, Upadhikrita Veda Darshanam, Yasya, Saha Vidvasta Upadhikrita Veda Darshanaha. Darshana is Napumsakalinga. Darshanaha, when we say it is Bahuvrihi Samasa. So referring to that person, the one who has this Abheda Darshan, that person, Advayam Atmanam Pashyataha. Pashyataha, again Shatranta, the one who sees the Advaya Atma. Because Upadhi is being Nitya. Therefore, what is there is only Atma. The Tattvam is Atma, Atma Tattvam. Pashyataha, the one who sees that. And Vishuddha Vijnana Ganaika Rasam Advayam Atmanam. That Atma which is Vishuddha, which is ever pure, it cannot be contaminated, Mala Rahitam Atma, which is Vijnanam, which is pure consciousness, Ganaika Rasam. Ganaika Rasam is Gana Ekarasam. That is only pure Chaitanya. Only Chaitanya is there. There is no second thing to it. That is called Ekarasam. Rasam means Ananda, Ganekarasam. Ganekarasam means Ekarasam means that only it is present, nothing extra. That it is not heterogeneous. Nothing. Second one is that then becomes different. There is no difference in that because there is no second thing. So therefore, Atma is free from any type of the differences, the divisions. Svagata Veda nasti, Sajatiya Veda api nasti, Vijatiya Veda api nasti. These are the divisions possible. These three divisions are not there. What are those three divisions? Just I will say with some simple example. In the Panchadashi, Vidyanandamani beautifully, in the shloka, he gives, he says, what are these Veda possible? Svagata Veda, there is no division. There is no division with oneself. Sajatiya Veda, there is no difference between the members of the same species. Sajatiya Veda. Vijatiya Veda is the difference between the different species. It is not there for the Atma. Like if you take a vriksha, there are many vrikshas out there. Mango tree is there, coconut tree is there. Tree being the common name, but there are different. Mango tree and coconut tree. Therefore, coconut tree will limit the mango tree. Even though they all belong to the tree, there is a difference between the trees. That is Veda, Vijatiya Veda. Then if you take the mango tree itself, it is not that only one mango tree is there. There are so many mango trees. Varieties of mango trees are there. All are mango trees, but there is Veda, Sajatiya Veda. Within a mango tree itself, there are differences. And within a mango tree, within mango trees, there are differences. That is Sajatiya Veda. And within a mango tree, what is that mango tree? Is it the trunk? Or is it the root? Or is it the branches? Or is it the leaf? Or in the leaf, there are so many parts are there. Which is mango tree? The mango tree itself is an assembly. It is put together. Therefore, it has got differences. It has got parts are there, avayavas are there. Vedaha asti. Therefore, all these three Vedas are not present in Atma. Therefore, it is Ekarasa. That is the meaning of the word Ekarasa. These Vedas are not present in Atma because it is one, Ekarasam. Ekarasam, Advaitam, Advayam, Atmanam, Pashyataha, Eva Pashyati, Kaha, Munehe, that Muni. Who is that Muni? Mananashilasya. Mananashilasya Muni. The one who is Mananashilaha. Who is Shilaha, whose nature, whose habit is Mananam, Dhyanam, contemplation. So, he is called Muni, Mananat Muni, because it has Mananam, therefore he is called Muni. Mananashilaha, Munehe, Mananashilasya, Atma Swarupam Katam Bhavati, what would be the nature of Atma? What would be the nature of that Atma? Iti uchyate. Where the next mantra. Yatodakam shuddhe.
यथोदकं शुद्धे
Yatodakam shuddhe shuddham.
यथोदकं शुद्धे शुद्धम्
Asiktam tadrugeva bhavati.
आसिक्तं
आसिक्तं
तादृगेव
तादृगेव
भवति
भवति
Evam nirvijanataha.
एवं
एवं
पुनर्विजानतः
मुनिर्विजानतः
Atma bhavati gautama.
आत्मा भवति
आत्मा
गौतम
भवति गौतम.
This is the last mantra of this section. We will read the version in the next class and we'll do a summary of this section. And stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.
धन्यवादः जी
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः जी.
धन्यवादः जी
धन्यवादः.